Hello my friends, how are you today? Today I want to talk to you about how to start your weed eater, string trimmer, whatever you call it. This may be a thing with like people and their weed eaters, string trimmers, whatever. They may get them and then they may not start. So I want to go ahead and put some fuel in it. That's one thing that can help it to run. And I want to go ahead and show you how to actually start it. There may be like a process. Now if you're going to be doing fueling, it's probably a good idea to wear glasses. You don't want to like put gasoline in your eye. So just, yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and put fuel on it. Oh my word. Okay, it's like on there. Who tightened this thing down?
Probably you.
Oh my goodness, it's like so tight. Dude, I might have to stop the video and get a pair of pliers. No joke. Like, oh my word, that's tight. Okay.
Are you turning it the right direction?
Oh my word, that was actually really, really, really hard. You like tighten that thing down. Okay, let's go ahead. I have glasses. Go ahead and put in some fuel. Guys, make sure you have the right mixture. Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you how to start it. There may be kind of like a process with like a choking or maybe a partial choking and putting gas in with the little thing. So this little thing right here. So let's go this little thing right here.
That's the choke?
No. That.
Oh.
So let's go ahead and start this process. Let me put the gas up. And
Oh, that's the primer button.
primer.
Okay.
You guys need the primer. Okay.
The primer.
So my friends,
Primer button.
here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start this. Listen, if you weed eat, I just gotta be real with you. Like, your eyes are important. Please don't weed eat like without eye protection. Seriously, it's just not worth it. I don't care if it's a little bit. It's not worth it. Okay. So the first thing is put it on start. Now mine might be different than yours, but you need to have it on start. See this? Start, stop. So here. Now for this, I need to do probably this little thing and this little thing. It's okay. So let's go ahead. I want to go ahead and take my left hand and just kind of go like so and like hold it. So I put it on start, have this and go like this. Okay? So I'm holding this right here with my...
Isn't this to make it spin?
Yes, I'm kind of giving it some gas. Here we go.
Okay.
Now I want to go ahead and do some primer right here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, maybe I'll do more.
Wait, aren't you supposed to not hold that bottom one down when you start?
No, I want to. I want to give it gas. People may be able to do it without it, but I want to.
Oh.
Okay, can they see the gas in there? I just pressed the thing several times.
Yeah, yeah, you can see it wiggling around.
Okay, so here we go. And obviously you only do this if you can do it right and safely and all that good stuff. And I'm not responsible if you hurt yourself trying to do it. Okay, here we go. I want to go ahead, and here's like a little switch right here. I want to go ahead and like, I might just kind of turn the switch and just pull it different ways. And one is going to probably start firing up, and then it's going to probably die. And then I'm going to probably need to, we'll just watch, see what happens. Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, you all ready? Y'all ready for this? Let's go. Just turn it and do it more. Okay, so it started and it died. So now I want to go ahead and turn it this way, right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way and do it again. Okay, so it's running now. Satisfying with that. Okay, now once it started running, it should be easier to go ahead and make it start running again because it's kind of warmed up. So if I want to start it up again, I can kind of go, put it on start, kind of do this thing right here, pull this down, do here, have it on start, have my eye protection on, and just kind of go a simple, and it should work. Okay, now what's really important, watch which direction it spins. See that? So if I'm cutting this way, I'm helping to throw stuff that way. If I do it this way, I'm helping to throw it back at me. Now, I don't really like a bunch of sand and rocks or whatever, like hitting me. So the smarter choice to be, the trick is to kind of turn it a little bit to help throw it that way. And that can kind of help you significantly. So, my friends, thank you all so much for watching. I love you. Please let me know if this helped you with your weed eater, string trimmer, whatever you call it. I may do affiliate links in there, maybe for some, like the line, for weed eater, string trimmers, whatever. If you buy anything, if you click on them and buy anything, I'm going to make a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. You're amazing. Bye.